Hello and welcome to the MailerLink. Now in this video we are going to discuss a little bit about the MailerLink. We are going to discuss MailerLink in a nutshell. So whenever you will open your MailerLink, the first thing that will appear on your screen, that is the dashboard, where you can get a little about your use of MailerLink. First you will get the downloaded page, created images and total campaign over here. The usage of your MailerLink account. How much pages you have downloaded by using our page builder, how much image you have created by using our image creator, and the total campaign that you have done by using our email marketing. So below that you will find the Zevizu offer and the latest ClickBank offer, which will also be available on the Find offers, Zevizu deals, Varia Plus deals and the ClickBank deals. So this will help you to search out offers from these three most used affiliate networking sites on internet, and all the related offers and the latest offers are available over here. There is sales page, which will give you more knowledge about the product that you are going to promote, and if you like it, you can grab the deals with one click. It will redirect you to your ClickBank account. Now there is Get Leads, which will help you to get the leads, to get the buyer list from this search engine and social networks. Just put the keyword, make analysis, and the leads will be appeared to you. You can download it on a CSV file also. Then there is Page Builder, where you can get various kind of templates that is being designed by our high professional graphics designer, and if you click on design, it will redirect you to the template editor, where everything in front of your eyes is customizable. Now there is Image Creator, which will help you to create image with your niche. Choose the niche you want to work with and then choose one template and edit the same and save it on your computer. Here is Image Gallery, where all your saved image will be available. You can download the image from here, you can delete the image from here. Now there is Subscriber Manager, which will help you to segregate your subscriber into a particular group, and from here you can add your contact into the subscriber list. Then there is Email Marketing, which will make your email into an autopilot. You don't need to work hard, you just need to work smarter to grow your business. So from here you can set the email API, then the email template you can do. By using the email template, you can create the email campaign, and then by using multiple campaign, you can sequence the campaign based on the day and the date you are using. Then if you are finding any difficulties by using our software, then you can reach out to our support desk, our 24 support desk. Just raise a ticket and our support team will reach out to you as soon as possible, but there is a less chance as our software is highly professional design. And then there is training, which will give you a brief knowledge about the software. So guys, that was all for MailerLink. See you inside the software. We are waiting for you. Thank you.